Hello, I am Dr. Seema Ghate, nominated under Individual Research category for ASDF Global Award 2020. Currently, I am working as a women scientist in phytoremediation and my host institute is Know-How Foundation, Baudhan, Pune, India. I am doctorate in environmental botany from India. I have done postdoctoral research in phytoremediation. Currently, I am working as a Women Scientist B on a Department of Science and Technology sponsored research project, New Delhi, India. This is my second project sponsored by Department of Science and Technology, New Delhi, India. I have lot many national as well as international publications to my credit. I have published a book on greening with eco-friendly plants in 2017. This book is a bilingual book in which I have given information about around 80 plants. This book is very well appreciated by people and people are referring this book. I have even published Marathi articles. Marathi is my native language. I have published Marathi articles in many Marathi science magazines. I am co-author for a chapter in book on environmental engineering which is published by Wiley Publication, England. I have also written articles in Marathi Encyclopedia on indoor pollution. My speech on phytoremediation is broadcasted in the local radio. Even my articles are published in the local newspaper, many local newspapers. I have attended many national as well as international conferences and presented my paper on phytoremediation. To note a specific conference, I have published my paper in first conference on environmental pollution at Denver, Colorado, USA, in which my paper was published and I have presented even my paper and this paper was also very well appreciated. During this research also, I have done lot many teaching jobs and I have done extensive teaching for last 10 years. I have taught lot many subjects in biology. Currently, I am working on indoor pollution, specifically indoor pollution, and these indoor pollutants are released through lot many household sources. To name some, I can tell you that these are mosquito coil smoke, smoke from cigarette, then plastic bags, paper towels, cement dust, then wood furniture. So these indoor household sources release lot many pollutants which are very harmful to our health. So I have made use of house plants which are low light survivors, and these house plants have capacity to absorb these indoor pollutants. So in my research I have actually have a chamber in which I test these house plants against these lot many indoor pollutants, and I have found out that these plants have capacity to absorb these indoor pollutants and capacity to metabolize these indoor pollutants. Actually, the mixtures that I use to grow these plants are organic, in which I have specifically inoculated consortium of Sphingomonas, a group of gram-negative bacteria which helps in the process of phytoremediation. Even I have used activated charcoal which increases the absorptive surface. So altogether this system is eco-friendly and which can be easily used by people. So in our institute, what we do is we prepare these type of phytoremediators. For specific pollutant, we use specific plant and we make these phytoremediators and we can give solutions for the indoor pollution. This is Aglaonema, one of the best low light survivor house plant which has tremendous capacity to absorb indoor pollution and one of my favorite. So please make use of this type of phytoremediation and be healthy and be safe. Thank you so much.